It's day 1 of 75 hard for me, and I'm super excited. I just got to the gym. It's 6:11. My first alarm went off at 5. I probably didn't get out of bed till like 5:10. You know, got my shit together. Got in the car, got here. I'm looking forward most to the consistency and habits that I build, because it's going to be good for my mental. There are some things that I want to learn during this challenge, so it'll be perfect for the books. Like, the books that I read are going to be perfect for me during this time. I am most nervous about having to drink 120 ounces of water a day. That means I gotta drink this 3 times, right? With no ice in it. So honestly, I feel like that's gonna be the hardest part for me. Taking a progress picture, that ain't gonna be too hard for me. Working out twice a day, I don't think that's gonna be hard for me. It's just gonna be time consuming for the most part. But you know, we're doing it. And then yeah, no alcohol, following a diet. My diet is not too strict because I don't want to quit. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want it to get to a point where like I can't do it, which is supposed to be hard, yes, but it's not supposed to be like unreasonable. So I'm doing no fried food, and then for lunch I have to have a salad. If I don't have a salad for lunch, like there's no salad around, or I didn't bring a salad, then I have to fast until dinner. That is my diet, period. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm excited to bring y'all along on this journey. I did not plan to record this, honestly, but my hairstylist, shout out to Miranda, she was just like, are you gonna document it? I'm like, I mean, I could, but it wasn't the plan. But I don't want this to be too long, given that I'm gonna have to do 75 videos. So this is day 1, and I will update y'all tomorrow about what I accomplished on day 1, and keep doing that over and over again.